It's raining and hailing. Let's take a visit.
Oh my god, it looks like salt on the ground.
I mean, literally, look at that.
oh my god, it's
Look,
flying.
this is so. I know. Look on the roof. Do you see that ice? Do you see it? Look there. Look at that road. Look at that ditch. There, look, there's a trash bag. Look, there's a car going by. It might die today. Watch out, guys! Why are you in the middle of the road? They might die today. Hello? Hey, look. It's Miss Elipse's house. And then it's Miss Alderman's house. It is my house! Oh my Jesus, look. There is so much ice here. I mean, Jesus. You could make a dang milkshake.
I made a piece of natural ice, and it is the most amazing thing ever.
Alright, let's take a journey downstairs.
Look, Hallie, go
Sure
eat a piece of natural
We're gonna see my reaction to a natural piece of ice. Natural ice. It's beautiful natural ice. Like literally natural ice.
There's ice everywhere.
Well, eat it. You never eat a piece of hail. Eat it.
Ice. That is some crunchy ice right there.
Yeah.
That's like stuff they need to make with freaking snow cones. I mean, like, I'm legit serious, man. This is like, whoa.
Muddy water.
Take a look. Oh, Jesus. I tripped down that basket. Let's go.